I'm just at Bardwell Park to film some trains. Rewsby service B13. Looks like some upgrades going on at the station. There's a temporary staircase to the concourse. Right here. Yes, I'm at Bardwell Park. Oh, what's this font? What's my head hurt? I'm going back. I don't know why, but there's a drunk man at the end of the platform. I don't even want to exit the station if I could. I'm just gonna automatically head to the other side of the platform now. City service in 2 minutes. So water ASAP. As you can see, it's approaching right now. A15. So it is A55, I think. City Circle service.
Afternoon customers, just a reminder, no smoking and drinking alcohol on board this train. No smoking and drinking alcohol on board this train.
I think the drunk man got on A15. TH would be, sorry, cut off there, but TH would be your go-to pick if you want to film fast trains. It's awesome. Until Reesby. C-Circle service. C28.
The train on platform 2 goes to Reesby. First stop, Bexley North, then all stations to
A64.
Reesby.
I don't know how to fix this guy. I do not know how to fix this guy. There we go. Man, a group of gossiping girls always have to walk in front of you.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Reesby. First stop, Bexley.
This is normal. This is my train. Well, if it stops in time, it's going kind of quickly. I'll be boarding B15. Oh, bye.